Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix your Messenger's video call sound problem, you can simply force restart your device. And if restarting your device does not work, make sure that Messenger is allowed to use a microphone. For example, simply go and tap on apps and go to the Messenger section. And once you have found the Messenger app, you can simply tap on it. And once you do this, you can go to the permission section. So here you can see that the microphone is allowed or not for your Messenger. After doing this, if the problem does not fix this as well, you can simply update your Facebook Messenger and restart Messenger. And at the end, the last resort is to uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it to fix the problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.